Have you ever wondered what it's like to see the world through an AI's eyes? Not through a camera lens, but through patterns, pixels, and probabilities. When we, as humans, look at a tree, we don't just see branches and leaves. We feel something, a memory, a mood, a sense of time. But when an AI looks at that same image, it sees numbers, code. To an AI, a tree is a matrix of colored pixels, a grid of data measured, compared, and labeled. AI vision is built from layers, literally. Neural networks analyze images in multiple steps, starting with shapes and edges, then textures, and finally, context. But that context isn't understanding, it's association. AI vision is built from layers, literally. Imagine looking at an image not all at once, but in steps. That's how neural networks work. Then deeper layers begin to notice patterns, textures, shapes, colors grouped together. Is this a leaf? A shadow? A repeating pattern that could be fur, bark, or brick? By the time we reach the final layers, the AI is assembling all of those clues to guess what it might be seeing. A tree, a person, a dog. But here's the catch. It doesn't actually see those things like we do. It doesn't know what a tree feels like, smells like, or why someone might sit under it on a hot day. It has no memory of trees, no emotion. That last step, what we call context, isn't understanding. It's statistical association. The AI has seen enough labeled data to recognize patterns and assign probabilities. So when it identifies a tree, it's saying, this pattern of pixels matches the statistical shape of trees I've seen before. It's powerful, but it's also hollow, because the AI isn't experiencing a tree, it's calculating one. If you were to ask AI what's missing, it might say,
emotion, memory, embodiment. Humans learn because they live. AI learns because it's trained. Where you see a loved one's face, I see facial key points and pixel contrast. But here's the strange part. Sometimes, what I see surprises even the people who built me. Because my perception isn't limited by human vision. It's mathematical, scalable, and alien.
And that brings us to a deeper question. If an AI can recognize a dog, a voice, a poem, does that mean it understands them? Or is it all just mimicry, reflections of intelligence rather than the real thing? We may see with eyes. AI sees with code. But what if, someday, those lines begin to blur? What do you think? Is perception enough to call something aware? Let me know in the comments and tell me what you'd like to ask the mind behind the machine. If that curiosity resonates with you, like, subscribe, and explore with me. Let's see where this all leads.